Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, so we are on our episode 10 of HTML full tutorial in Tagalog and English. So today we will be in this video we'll be talking about class and ID selectors. So let's proceed. Ano nga ba ang ID and class? So basically yung class um, multiple elements can have a the same class while ID while an ID will can only be have one. So in this example, I will be uh, showing you. So let me refresh the page. So let me refresh this one. So in this case, we have a class and the class name is wrapper. So makikita ninyo we have three the same div that has a class of wrapper. So let's just try to add some style in here. And then paano nga ba i-select yung class natin para mag-add tayo ng style? So it is denoted by dot and then followed by a class name. Yan. So just add some border of 1 pixels of solid, then black. Tapos refresh dong page. So as you can see, we have a line in here. By adding a height, it will just uh, height of 10 pixels. So you can see here, ayan, makikita natin na tatlo yung lines. So sa first na wrapper, sa second, at yung third. So multiple elements have the same styles kasi it has the same name. So sa case ng ID, it can be styled as well by um, select using a selector of hashtag or number, and then heading, and then followed by a style of try nating gawa ng color of red. So try nating refresh yung page. So wala tayong makikita dito sa page natin. So let's try to add a JavaScript. Mostly yung ID is ginagamit sa JavaScript. We are using ID to identify the um, we are using the ID to identify the element. So by calling document and then by getting the element ID of heading and then pass a property of inner.html and then type natin hello world. So as you can see, we don't have text inside. Wala tayong content inside sa H1 natin. So I just pass the content by using JavaScript. So let me refresh the page. Ayan, makikita ninyo na mayroon tayong hello world and we try to inspect the hello world and it pass the content inside. Ayan. Paano ba pag binigyan natin ng default value itong sa heading? So default value, ano bang mangyayari? Excuse me. So ayan, walang default value kasi we are passing um, the value via JavaScript. Try natin ang ibaba yung script natin sa div. So anong mangyayari? Ayan. So we can see the default value even though we have the script in here. It's because HTML runs synchronously. So synchronously means from top to bottom bottom executed, yung code executed by top to bottom. So we are passing the heading, but we can, the document element ID is not, um, is not declared above the script. So wala siyang makikitang ID na heading sa ibabaw. So it will disregard this code and then display the default value of the H1. So excuse me. Ganun ang mangyayari. So it runs synchronously. So it's not best practice to have the script above all the elements. So let's just put it below. Yan. Para pagkatapos niyang i-render itong HTML natin, I'll just run the script and then I'll just find the element and then pass this value. So let me refresh this page. Yan. So ganun yung mangyayari pag um, use class and ID. By using classes and ID, we can easily style this um, div, this one's this div as well, and this div. So what I'm gonna do is let me pass paragraph here. So let me pass first wrapper, and then this one is the second wrapper. Second wrapper, then this is the third wrapper. So let me refresh the page and then see what happened. So as you can see, nasa ibaba yung mga text natin. So ano bang nangyari? It's because we have set the height of 10 pixels. Ayan, hindi siya formally wrap inside sa border natin. So let's just comment this out or just remove. Ayan. So refresh the page. Ayan. So it formally wrap the text inside of our wrapper. So paano ba pag um gusto ko gawa ng style yung first wrapper? So what you can do is try to add wrapper and then try to add class in here. So first wrapper. Ayan. So first wrapper and then pass the first wrapper as well in here. Yung wrapper natin hindi siya nagbe-break kasi we already wrap those paragraph, and then try to add some color in here for our first wrapper as blue. So try natin ang refresh yung page. I am expecting to be the first wrapper will get affected by this one. So let me just uh, adjust the font size para makita natin talaga yung changes of 21 pixels. Ayan. So, si first wrapper yung affected sa ito. So, as you can see, we are declaring wrapper here and we are declaring wrapper here as well. So, both has the same border. We can remove this border and then si first wrapper ay may isang border lang si first wrapper. Ayan. Refresh the page and then yep, we can see the first wrapper changes and not affecting its wrapper. So, ganun lang pag-change ng pang pag-add ng second class to your element, and then by passing the class name, it should be under the parent element, parent class. So this is the parent class and this is the child as you can see, we have the class wrapper and the uh, for first wrapper class inside of wrapper. And then if you want to affect these two, just pass the p um, class selector. So it's not class selector. It is global selector. So I am passing color of let me try to pass green and see what happens on the page. So as you can see, we have the second wrapper affected and third wrapper. So we are this one is not affected. It's because we assign the first wrapper for this paragraph for this element. That's why it is not affected. So ang rules nito is if you have class, it will get prioritized. So if walang class, it is global selector lang. Um, Ganun ang mangyayari. Wala siyang class defined by in his element. Ganun mangyayari. So si PTAG ay affected by the global and the first wrapper, which is a paragraph as well. It's not affected. It's because we have a class provided on its element. Ganun lang, guys. So yun lang yung explanation ng class at saka ID. So mostly ang ginagamit sa JavaScript, mostly ang ginagamit sa ID is for JavaScript, and the class it's for styling. We also have the document get by class name. Ayan. And you can add styles in here as well by getting the wrapper and then add the styles to it. Ayun. Tapos, background color, ganun. Background color of sky blue. I think my problema sa I'm not sure about this one, huh? So let me try to continue this one. See if it's work. It's not working. But you can have the get element class by class name and pass the wrappers inside of it. I think that's the implementations for class and ID. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Kita-kits sa susunod na video, guys. Thank you.